of Ultimate Fighter, and I'll partner with the Ultimate Fighter with Dana, Lorenzo, and Frank for the last 18 seasons. This is a really special day for us today for the Ultimate Fighter. The Forrest Griffin-Stephan Bonnar fight was one of the most important fights in Ultimate Fighter history, and it's brought us into 18 seasons of great fighting on the Ultimate Fighter, and we're just pleased to be here. We'd like to thank Dana, Frank, and Lorenzo for honoring the two fighters, and it's a big deal for us here at the Ultimate Fighter. So thank you all for coming this morning, and we really appreciate you viewing and being here as fans. Thank you, Dana.
So, you guys have heard me say it a million times. You heard me the other day, I said it all in the media, you know, a lot of people were bitching. How does Stephan Bonnar get into the Hall of Fame? Blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you what, as far as this company goes, for sure, but as far as this sport goes, this was the most important fight in the history of this company. At the time when this fight happened, okay, you know where we were back then. You know where we were and what was happening with the sport. We were $44 million in the hole into this business. And we had already done a deal on Fox. Remember, anybody who remembers, we did the fight on the Best Damn Sports Show, period. We pulled the highest ratings in the history of that show. And when I say the highest ratings, I mean by a long shot. We killed it. They still didn't do a deal with the UFC. Right? So we went out, we shopped the Ultimate Fighter around to every network on earth. Nobody wanted the Ultimate Fighter, nobody. So, last guys we talked to was Spike TV, they didn't want it either. We said, how about if we pay for it? They liked that idea a lot better. First season cost us $10 million. The minute that thing aired and started pulling the highest numbers they'd ever had in the history of the network, by the time the Chris Lieben, Bobby Southworth, Josh Koscheck thing happened, we were like 2.3 million viewers, which is crazy, crazy numbers. Crazy numbers for a network like Spike that had just started. And we still didn't have a deal. So we get down to the finale, Diego Sanchez and Kenny Florian fight. Diego annihilates him in a minute. And I'm like, this is so bad, man, this is not good. Then Stephan Bonnar, Forrest Griffin come out. This fight was so small, it was at the Cox Pavilion. The Cox Pavilion in Las Vegas, right? During 6 minutes of that fight, 12 million people tuned in. For 6 minutes of that fight. You know how crazy that is? You know what insane numbers those are? And if anybody, who was there that night? Was anybody actually in the arena? People were stomping their feet in the place. It sounded like a fucking train was going through that place. There has never been a more important fight in the history of the UFC. There has never been a more important fight except for like UFC 1 in the history of mixed martial arts. And it is our honor to induct Forrest Griffin and Stephan Bonnar into the UFC Hall of Fame.